Hey everyone, welcome back. If ChatGPT is showing up in the wrong language, or you just want the app in your own one, there is a proper setting for it, and it changes the whole app, not just one screen. It used to be missing from the Android app completely, so if you went looking for it before and gave up, have another go. Open ChatGPT, tap the back arrow to drop the keyboard, tap the menu icon in the top left, then tap your profile picture down in the bottom right. That opens your settings. Now scroll right down towards the bottom, past notifications, voice and safety, and tap General. The very first row in there is language, and right now mine says English. Tap that, and up comes the full list. This is app language, and it is a long list, every language the app supports, from Amharic and Arabic all the way down to Japanese. Scroll until you find yours. I'm picking Español, España, and then tap OK, and watch the screen behind it. Language becomes Idioma. Haptic feedback becomes Respuesta, háptica. It switches over straight away. And it is the whole app, not just this page. Tap the arrow to come back out, drop the keyboard, and open the menu. Imágenes, Biblioteca, Proyectos, Complementos, Nuevo chat. Every screen and every button has switched over. So how do you get back, now that every button is in a language you might not read? Exactly the same route, just in the new language. Tap the menu, then your profile picture, which now says Configuración de la cuenta. Scroll down to General and tap Idioma. The list opens again, with your current language sitting at the top. Scroll down to English, tap it, then tap Aceptar, and it is back to normal straight away. So that is the whole thing. Menu, profile picture, scroll down to General, tap Language, pick the one you want, and tap OK. No restart, no reinstalling. And one thing worth knowing, this changes the app's buttons and menus. What language ChatGPT answers in still just follows whatever you write to it. If this helped you out, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tech tips. Thanks for watching.